What's up, Crusaders?
My name's Jasmine.
And my name's Jenny Bell.
And you're watching
HC News.
Last week was a huge week for the Holy Cross Athletic Department. On Monday, we had a basketball pep rally which led up to our annual event, BC Catholics.
Huge congratulations to all those who won their games, and cheers to all athletes who participated, as well as those who volunteered for the event.
Also, last week was the Dry Grad Bottle Drive. Thank you to everyone who managed, volunteered, and supported the event.
Hey Jasmine, I know a friend who's coming to high school soon, but they're not sure if they want to come to Holy Cross or not.
Well, you're in luck. The Holy Cross Open House event will be taking place this Thursday at 6:30 p.m. It's a perfect time to get to know what our school is all about.
Really? I have to let them know right away.
Also, Wednesday will be an advisory schedule, with Thursday being a flex day and Friday being a pro D day. Wait a second, I just remembered something. I think I lost my pencil case somewhere.
Have you tried looking into Lost and Found?
Great idea. I'll go there right now.
Lost and Found items will be displayed in the front foyer on January 27th to 29th. Please claim your lost items or they will be donated.
Found it! Next up, here's an episode of Sustainably Green.
In 2020, approximately 36% of all road fatalities in Canada were linked to impaired driving. It's 11 p.m. on a Thursday night, and Rohit is walking on the streets of Surrey alone. The choice Rohit makes will end up in his demise. These immature boys are about to drive in the nighttime with alcohol in their hands.
Yo, fam. Trying to get in the car, yo, we're getting lit.
I don't know.
Come on, man, it'll be lit.
Alright, fine.
Rohit decides to go into the car of an intoxicated driver.
Yo, bro, go grab a drink, yo.
Alright, sure.
Grab it!
Where are we going anyways?
Don't worry about it, man.
Yo, isn't this a little bit too fast?
Nah. Whoa, whoa! Yo!
Because Rohit decided to get in the car of the intoxicated guys, he is now dead. Was this avoidable? Yes, it was. Let's rewind back to when Rohit was walking.
What up, yo? Come in the car.
No, you guys don't look that good. I don't really want to go.
Yo, you're lost. Come in, man.
No, I'm good.
Man, you're boring.
So we're with Marketing 11 and we hope you enjoyed our videos on drunk driving. Stay out of cars when people are intoxicated. Go.
Y'all have a good one. Stay out of cars under the influence.
Marketing 11 out.
For any announcements that you'd like to hear our anchors read on next week's HC News, please email webteam@mycrusader.net. Reminder that our deadline for submissions is every Thursday at 3 p.m.
If you have a video submission for us, make sure to let us know before the deadline and to keep the runtime under 1 minute.
Make sure to follow @Crusader Connect and all Holy Cross social media accounts to get up to date with all Holy Cross related affairs.
That's all for now.
Bye, Holy Cross!